Hey everybody, we are at the 2025 Milwaukee Media Event.
Yeah, they call it Pipeline. There's over 100 different products that we're going to get our hands on and show you guys.
Yeah, we're going to show you some stuff. Hey guys, I'm super excited to show you this new QUIK-LOK universal fit adapter for hole saws from Milwaukee. I've been personally waiting for something like this for a long time. There's a couple different versions on the market. I was waiting for them to come out with it. It's like $15 to buy the universal adapter, but then they have all these other little adapters that you can put on your smaller saws, and they just clip on. So here's the adapter right here. It's that easy to clip on and off. So that's pretty nice. It's so easy. So I'm going to test. What I want to do is I want to drill a hole with this 1 inch, and then I want to show you this adapter that allows you to screw in and do a hole enlarger, which is great. So let's do that real quick. Actually, I'll just show you right here. So if I was going to drill this hole, then I can just take this off, put this on, index this back in, and you can see that I can enlarge the hole now without roaming around. So to me, this is a game changer. This helps solve problems working on old doors and you're trying to rebore a hole or something, or I don't know, maybe you're trying to reuse a hole that somebody else drilled and you want to go bigger. This is great. Without this, we were using pieces of plywood. We'd have to put it over the hole and drill through it and use that as a guide. There's a lot of ways and tricks we do this in the field, but this is just a nice problem solver. You can get this kit. This is like a $200 kit with the QUIK-LOK and a bunch of the hole saws. I'm typically using bigger hole saws than this, so I probably would piecemeal it, buy this and buy the bigger hole saws, and then just buy all the adapters that I might need, get them all set up, and then you're good to go. So, check it out, QUIK-LOK adapter, piece of cake. That's a wrap. What'd you think?
Oh, it was great. It was a lot of red, a lot of fun.
Yeah, innovation, passion. It was a good time.